Hello everyone, this is Who Are You platform. Today, I will share with you how to build self-confidence. You are blessed wherever you are. I'm blessed too. 1. You have to identify your negative thought. Then 2. Turn your negative thoughts to positive one. 3. Take care of yourself and exercise daily. 4. Avoid perfectionism. 5. Identify your talent. It will help you. 6. Take care of yourself and sleep well always. 7. Accept compliment gracefully. 8. Be patient with yourself always. 9. Stop comparing yourself with anyone. 10. Bounce back from your past mistake. If you like my video, always share it. This is Who Are You. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share.